Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a real treat here. This is a 1966 Ford Galaxie convertible 7-liter. Absolutely beautiful condition. Got a black paint job with a red leather interior. And what makes this one so special is there's only about 200 that were convertibles that had electric windows and AC. And this one has it. It has a 428 under the hood. It's an automatic. Drives like a dream. Absolutely beautiful. Interior is great. I really like this car. Show you the top there. Top's in great condition. Alright, let's go ahead and get this key so we can open up the trunk. Got the boot back here, spare tire. Phenomenal condition. Got a CD player with a stack of old CDs here as well. So you won't have to worry about gathering some of the classics. Such a beautiful car. All right, let's hop up here into the driver's seat. Let's see, there's the trim tag. Check out the cluster there. Just beautiful. All right, we're gonna go ahead, pop open the hood, take it for a spin, put it on the hoist. All right, and we got the electric top here. Works really good. And all the way back up. There we go. All right. Alright, gonna take it for a quick spin. Turn on the AC there. Get some nice cold air blowing. Takes that bump very nicely. Shifting out nice and smooth. Wow. Steering wheel's nice and straight, strong. Very, very little play, but that is usual with these cars. Awesome. Alright, I'm gonna whip her around, take her back to the shop. Alright, got the Galaxie up here on the lift. Let's see how beautiful this is underneath. Very, very strong and clean. Let me go all the way down here and get some better lighting. Such a nice car. Really interesting learning about this car and it being called the 7-liter. And it's so cool seeing these things come through our lot and being able to learn more and more. If you have any questions or concerns, want to do a live FaceTime with us, shoot us an email, give us a call. Love to hear from you. As always, thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.